Okay, so I did a minor change in this regex, and there is one more minus change remaining in this regex, which I'm doing right now. So this one is just a small one option. So let's come on my page here. Let's uncheck these options and then paste our one. And let's see what is being captured here. So if you see here in the description, the name of every options is being matched by this regex. Whether, I mean, this is how, like this one, or maybe this is something inside this one, but in any way it is being captured here. So how I route this, first of all, I know that I need to check whether it is being started from the hyphen or not. So the hyphen was my first thing to capture. It is a character, so I have, it is a literal, so I may use either directly hyphen, or I can keep it in the character class, just like I have written it here. Second, I know that after one hyphen, uh, so what I'm doing, I am trying to cover just the one which have the one hyphen, not two hyphen, because there are two versions for each of the options. One version is a small one. Second one is this long one. Long one have starting with long one is starting with these double hyphen, but it may have more one or more than one hyphen inside it. So it's like this one. So that's fine. So I'm covering just this one. Let's say I remove this option. So I'm covering this one only. So after hyphen, I'm saying that it could be any A to Z. So I have kept A to Z, A to Z, and it could be even equal, or maybe this bracket opening and closing and underscore. So if you see or come with me, then you will realize this thing. Uh, uh, mm, it is a number coming here in small one. So that's why I have taken this D. And you are right. I think there is no need of this bracket and underscore match, or an equal match even. But anyhow, I have maybe I have taken this for because of this long names, which that's why it is my mistake. So I just remove these things, and even equal to, right? So I wrote this one till now and this one till now, and I know that it is it needs a repetition. It may be more than one words now, right? So I have used plus here, and I know the plus on this option will keep covering everything till its end. So I have used the look ahead positive also, so that I can ignore. What I have to ignore is like if there is a occurrence of new line, if there is a occurrence of new line, or there is a occurrence of space, even comma also. For example, this is a comma occurrence, that means it will be matched, but it will be, comma will be coming in the look ahead, and it is saying that we have to ignore this comma, so we have to just capture this small one. Same way, if you go up, then for digits also there is a cover, and it is saying that should not be new line or should not be space. Fine. I have used the look ahead also just to capture like there should be exactly 7 spaces before the option is starting. So this is how I have used it. And I have used two rejects or inline options, multi-line and the ignore white space, right? And then after this, I had to capture the long version also, which is written here. So for that thing, maybe I have used other things, another regex as an alternative. So if you see here, after hyphen, I have used after hyphen, two times hyphen, I'm making the same pattern, covering the new lines, covering the digits and A to Z, A to Z, and then covering the hyphen also, because there is a hyphen in between sometimes, just like this one. And there could be equal also, just like this one, equal is there. And then we have to cover starting and ending of the brackets. It should be quantified. So this is how I'm covering this one. It should be starting either with the save in spaces. Yeah, okay, it should be starting with the either with the save in spaces. Yes, or if not, then it should have the one comma and one space before this starting. So if you see here, I have used one comma, and this is the space between both of the characters. Huh. So comma and space. This is the character class simply saying. And after that, I am matching with the hyphen having two counts and then starting my regex pattern. And I'm also saying that the pattern should be ending whenever there is a start of new pattern. Okay, but this is what is this? It is the look ahead at last. Look ahead says that it should be covered before the new lines and spaces. Okay. New line and spaces means if there is a new line after this one, yes, and there is maybe some space and there is nothing much more, then it should be finished this one. That's why discovering this small one. Okay, and comma also covered. Hmm. Mm, fine. So this is how I was doing the regex composition for my users.